the Explorer. Dora's Christmas Parade. It was Christmas Day, and Boots and his family were celebrating with Dora and her parents. "Look, I got maracas!" exclaimed Boots, yanking 2 maracas from a gift box. "Listen! Shika, shika, shika." "And I got a wooden flute," said Dora. "Listen! Deet, deet, deet." "I love Christmas," declared Boots, waving his maracas around. "Me too," Dora agreed. "I only wish my abuela could be here with us too." "Where is your grandma?" wondered Boots. "Abuela's not feeling well," sighed Dora, "so she stayed home."
"I'm sure Abuela would really like it if you visited her to wish her a Merry Christmas,"
Dora's Poppy suggested. "That's a great idea," added Dora's Mommy. "You can go on a parada to Abuela's house." "What's a parada?" asked Boots. "A parada is when people go from house to house and play music to celebrate the holidays," explained Dora. "Awesome!" shouted Boots. "Let's go play music for your grandma." "Fantastico! We'll go on a parada to Abuela's house," exclaimed Dora. "Vámonos!" "Where do we go first?" Boots wanted to know. "Let's ask the map," answered Dora. "Say map." Just then Map hopped out of backpack's side pocket. He told Dora and Boots the directions. "You have to go past Benny's barn, Isa's garden, and Tico's tree, and that's how you'll get to Abuela's house." "Benny's barn! Here we come!" yelled Boots. As they went along, they sang a little song. "We are musicians, and a-playing we will go. Dora plays a flute, deet, deet, deet. Boots plays maracas, shika, shika, shika. We are all musicians. Merry Christmas, one and all." "Merry Christmas!" bellowed Benny. "Benny," said Dora, "would you like to join a paranda to Abuela's house?" "You bet! But," Benny sighed, "I don't have an instrument to play." "Don't worry, Benny. I bet I have an extra instrument with me," replied Dora. "Let's check my backpack." "Look, a drum!" exclaimed Dora. "We have a drum for you, Benny. Now you can join our paranda to Abuela's house." "We are musicians, and a-playing we will go. Dora plays a flute, deet, deet, deet. Boots plays maracas, shika, shika, shika. Benny plays the drums, bam, bam, bam. We are all musicians. Merry Christmas, one and all." "On with the paranda!" shouted Dora. "Next stop, Isa's flowery garden." "Isa, would you like to join our paranda?" asked Dora. "Sure," chimed Isa. "I can play my brand new trombone." "We are musicians, and a-playing we will go. Dora plays a flute, deet, deet, deet. Boots plays maracas, shika, shika, shika. Benny plays the drums, bam, bam, bam. Isa plays the trombone, boomba, boomba, boomba. We are musicians. Merry Christmas, one and all." Soon they arrived at Tico's treehouse. "Merry Christmas! Feliz Navidad!" Dora said to Tico. "Tico, do you want to play in our paranda?" asked Boots. "Paranda? Si!" shouted Tico. "Fantastico!" exclaimed Dora. "Let's go! Vámonos!" "We are musicians and a-playing we will go. Dora plays a flute, deet, deet, deet. Boots plays maracas, shaka, shaka, shaka. Benny plays the drums, bam, bam, bam. Isa plays the trombone, boomba, boomba, boom. Tico plays the harmonica, zoom, zoom, zoom. We are musicians, Merry Christmas one and all. Suddenly, they heard a rustle coming from the bushes. Uh-oh, that sounds like Swiper the Fox, whispered Boots. If you see Swiper, warned Dora, yell Swiper. It's Swiper the red-nosed fox deer, cried Benny. You have to say, Swiper no swiping, Dora exclaimed. Swiper no. But before Dora could finish warning her friends, Swiper grabbed the instruments and tossed them into a forest full of Christmas trees. You're too late, bragged Swiper. You'll never find them now. Oh no, moaned Boots. Swiper swiped all 5 instruments. If we don't find our instruments, we won't be able to finish the piranha to Abuela's house. Don't worry, Boots. We'll find the instruments, Dora assured her friend. Dora and her friends looked and looked until they found Dora's flute, Buzz's maracas, Benny's drum, Ace's trombone, and Tico's harmonica. Now let's go to Abuela's house, shouted Dora. Are you ready to play the piranha song for Abuela? Asked Dora. Boots, Benny, Isa, and Tico nodded excitedly. On Dora's cue, they raised their instruments. Hit it, shouted Dora. We are musicians and a-playing we will go. Dora plays a flute, deet, deet, deet. Boots plays maracas, shaka, shaka, shaka. Benny plays the drums, bam, bam, bam. Isa plays the trombone, boomba, boomba, boom. Tico plays the harmonica, zoom, zoom, zoom. We are musicians, Merry Christmas one and all. When the musicians finished playing their song, they turned to Abuela and shouted, Merry Christmas! Abuela smiled. Feliz Navidad to you too, Ninos! Thank you for making my Christmas so special. Now, why don't you come inside and have some Christmas cookies? Dora and her friends marched inside, and as they did, they sang their song. We are musicians, Merry Christmas one and all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And for some more Christmas stories, check out my Christmas holiday playlist. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you all next time.